Unraveling the Mystery. What does "to pony up" really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we've got a particularly interesting expression on the agenda: to pony up. Have you ever heard someone use it and wondered what on earth they were talking about? Well, you're in luck, because we're about to explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and pony up some knowledge. The phrase, "to pony up," is an informal way to say that someone needs to pay or give some money that is owed or due. It usually implies that there's a bit of reluctance or delay in the payment, and now it's time to finally settle the debt. But why the word pony? This part might surprise you. Pony doesn't refer to the small horse in this context. Instead, it's believed to have come from Old English slang. The word pony used to mean a small amount of money. So when you're saying to pony up, you're essentially saying to pay up the small sum you owe. Nowadays, it can refer to any amount, not just small sums. So, where did this quirky phrase originate? The exact origins are a bit murky, but it's generally agreed that to pony up has its roots in card games or gambling. It's American slang from the 19th century, where players had to put their money up front before a game could start. They had to pony up their entry stake. Let's see how this phrase is used with some examples. After the poker game, it was time for the losers to pony up. The fundraiser wasn't going to start until everyone decided to pony up the promised donations. "I forgot to pay for the coffee last time, so I'll pony up today," said Jenna, reaching for her wallet. Notice how in each of these sentences, to pony up implies settling a financial obligation or coming through with a payment that was expected or promised. It's important to note that because to pony up is informal, it's best used in casual conversation or contexts where a playful or light-hearted tone is appropriate. It wouldn't be suitable for formal situations, like business transactions or official documents. So, there you have it. You now know what it means to pony up. It's a fun, colloquial way to talk about settling debts or making payments. I hope you enjoyed learning about this phrase and that you can now confidently use it in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video, where we continue to unravel the mysteries of English idioms and expressions. Don't forget to pony up some love for our channel by liking and subscribing. See you next time.